I'm Darren Obala, and this is Mifugo. Mifugo is a system that was developed to help the government of Kenya vaccinate cows across Kenya. The government received funding by World Bank of Kenya to subsidize vaccination of cows. So each farmer with a registered cow would get a subsidy of 150 shillings for each cow, and they would pay 50 shillings, and then this money will be collected and distributed to various stakeholders involved. So, to prevent fraud, there was a challenge to uniquely identify each cow so that people don't, register maybe one cow multiple times on the system to get multiple subsidies. So, to achieve this, we used the YOLO model and PyTorch to create a model that would be used to uniquely identify these cows by detecting the muzzle of a cow in a picture, creating a vector embedding of that, and that vector embedding will be unique for each cow. So to demonstrate this, I'll just log in as a farmer. So farmers can register different cows, but remember each has to have a unique muzzle. So for example, I've registered Bozo here. So if I would try to register Bozo again, we say Bozo 3 with the same image. Let me say like this. The system would register this cow, but it would flag this as a duplicate because we have a vector embeddings similar to the one that we have just created. So that will be flagged. Sorry. They can view subsidy tracker. I said each gets 150 shillings for each cow. They have an inbox and then settings. Doesn't matter. So then we have on the system we have vaccinators. Let me just log in as admin so that you can see the vector embeddings for each cow. So admin can see an overview of registered, vaccinated, duplicates, and so on. Then they have a registry. Let's say, for example, well, let's search Bozo. Yeah. So you can see the details here. And this is the vector embeddings based on Bozo's muzzle. So the muzzle is like a unique identifier of Bozo. So when you analyze an image, you get the muzzle, you clip the muzzle using a model, and then you create a vector embedding of that. So when you store these, next time somebody tries to upload the picture of the same cow in registering, it will create a vector and then it will search if there is one similar to this and it will flag it. And so on. They can also search farmers and see their details. So these are like admins of each county. Each county has admin and so on. And then we have like the super admin. Then again, now in charge of can see overall data on all the countries and so on. So super admins who are they can configure stakeholder revenue split. They can allocate revenue to counties. They can see audit logs, and they have the overview of how the whole system works. And then also the system have vaccinators, of course, that are in charge of now vaccinating these cows. Yes, so they can see, for example, they can see Bozo here. who it belongs to. So this vaccinator is in the county that Bozo was registered, and when they go to vaccinate this cow, they'll vaccinate and bill. This will send an OTP to the farmer that will pay these 50 shillings, and then the total will be collected and stored and will be um, given to various stakeholders based on the means configuration and so on. They can request inventory of the vaccination. So there are suppliers of these vaccines. Those who they are the facilitators that handle logistics and so on. So that's it. That's it's about the system. So we uniquely identify cows by analyzing the images registered on the platform. We identify the muzzle, we identify and clip the muzzle. Then we generate a vector embeddings from the muzzle to uniquely identify each cow to prevent fraud. I think that's it. Thank you.